Hey everyone, Connor from Mack Cycle. So you just bought your brand new Dream Specialized brand bicycle and you're a little unsure of how to assemble it properly. So today I'm going to show you a few simple steps to seamlessly get it assembled properly and get you riding on the road or trail. So let's start off with the tools you're going to need. First we have the cutter to take off the packaging of your bicycle. Next we have the 5mm and 4mm Allen keys. And then the 15mm or the 8mm Allen key for the pedals. The torque wrench to get everything tightened to specification. Alright, so to get started, first save your box because you're going to use it as your stand. And I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so let's take the bike out. Just kidding. It's only 22 pounds. Alright, so we're going to take out the bike. Then you're going to take the cutters and very carefully start removing the zip ties. I start with the front wheel. If your bike has Di2, the battery is going to come pre-installed and all the wiring is going to be set up for you already. Alright, so once you removed all the packaging from the frame, we're ready to use the box as our stand to get the front wheel and handlebars on. So if your bike is equipped with the Future Shock headset, it's going to be already properly installed and tightened. So all you're going to have to do is use your 4mm Allen key, rotate the stem around, and then start removing the front plate. So now we can install the handlebar, making sure that all the cables and wiring are out of the way and not tangled. And then we'll place the top plate back on. Make sure each of the screws are tightened to hand tightness. This is to protect the rotor during shipment so it doesn't get bent and thus have a rubbing brake. So remove the end cap from either side. You're going to remove the shim from within the caliper, and at this point you're not going to want to squeeze the brake lever. So remove the axle, bring the front wheel into slot, making sure that the rotor is in between the brake pads, and then slide the through axle back into place. Now we're ready to remove the bike from the box. At this point we're ready to torque all of our screws to the proper specification. For this bike it's 6.2 Newton meters. If you have specific measurements that you use, this is where you'll set that up. Otherwise your saddle height will go right up to your hips. And for the stem, line it up with the front wheel and tighten the stem bolts. For a road bike, we're going to make sure that the top of the bar is parallel with the ground and centered. As a last step, we're going to install the pedals and any accessories that might have come in a small box included with your bike. Included with this bike are the pedals, the Di2 charger, some extra accessories, and importantly, reflectors. So now we're ready to install the pedals. So this one, there's an L for left. And a key thing to remember is that the pedals tighten by rotating them forward, depending on which side of the bike you're on. Lastly, we'll take the pedal wrench to finish the job. Air up your tires to the marked specification and you're ready to ride. And now we can't forget the icing on the cake. Now you're ready to go wherever the streets or trails take you. Remember, safety first, and if you need any other accessories such as a helmet or lights, feel free to check out our website or give us a call.